Email marketing tools is very important if you are in online or offline business and selling products or service. Another way, if you want to send information about your products or service to any of your prospects, then email marketing is much better than cheaper than any other platform or advertising service online. Also, if you want to send bulk emails for completely free, then this video is just for you. I will be sharing more than 10 amazing email marketing websites that will allow you to send bulk emails to all of your subscribers completely free. Yes, completely free. All these websites have free and paid programs to send bulk email messages. You can use just a free program if you're just starting out your new business or cannot afford to spend much money. And this free program has well enough feature to starting out. So let's get started. In this video today, I will go through each and every steps in very detail to get all required tools, and I will include all the links in description below. So please watch the video to the end to get all step-by-step details. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and hit the bell of notification so you will be notified first for all my future videos as soon as I upload a new video. Once you click on my provided link in description below, you will come up on this side of page. The first one is MailerLite. Just click accept all cookie. The MailerLite provide very best email marketing program with powerful features. Check on features, click on pricing. The MailerLite provide up to 1,000 subscribers and 12,000 email you can send completely free. And if you want to do more, then you go unlimited with $10 a month. But subscriber will stay only 1,000. If you have a more subscriber, then you go up to 2,500 for $15. Unlimited emails a month. If you have a more, you can go more. Same as here. You can move the cursor and you will find the pricing and feature. Second one is Mailchimp. Customize setting, close, click to sign up, click to check pricing. The premium, standard, essential, we do not need that. We only look for the free one. Up to 2,000 contact, and does not say how many email you can send. But you can add up to 2,000 contact, sign up for free and check all the features as you need it. Third one is Klaviyo. Click to create free account. Click on pricing. Sign up for free and check the pricing. Only allow up to 250 contact, 500 emails. Please read and go through after you sign up. Fourth one is Mailjet. Mailjet is pretty good. Click to accept all. Get started. To sign up, check the pricing. Free. You can send 2,000 emails a day 6,000 emails per month and add unlimited contacts. And 6,000 emails per month. If you need more, then you go further. Sign up and check all the details. After Mailchimp, fifth one is sending blue. Prepare for takeoff. Accept all cookie. Pricing. Free 0 month. Unlimited contacts and up to 300 emails a day. Better than everybody. If you need more, you can go through more. Check all the features. After you sign up is completely free. And after 6th one is Clever Reach. Click on feature and read. Sign up for free. Check the pricing. Get started for free. Only 250 recipient. And number of email you can send 1,000. Pay as you go. Compared to others, this is okay. After Clever Reach, 7th is Convertkit, the creative marketing platform for your book. Grow your audience, foster your community, earn a living online. All we need, sign up for free, check the resources, check pricing. The free 300 subscriber only, and for free this best feature, they provide landing page and forms, and landing page is very important. After sign up, check all the features and go as you need it. After that, benchmark email. Pricing 1 to 500, only 250 email per month, and here you can add unlimited subscriber. Sign up for free, check the resources, features, and if you need more, pay as you go, but you can use for 250 for free and use the others. After that, SendGrid, products, click on the pricing, sign up for free, check pricing first, 0 month. SMTP rely on webhooks. All this feature, go through, read, and go as you need it. Each and every email marketing site has a different offer and different products. Whichever is best for you, just use it. After SendGrid, Mailgun. Mailgun, get started, sign up for free, product pricing, 0 a month, email API, SMTP relay, and webhooks. Click to start standing, and 5,000 emails per month for 3 months only, free, and after that you have to pay. So use as long as you have free. Last and least, Hubspot. Hubspot has so many different products. Click on Allow Cookies, Pricing. Click on Free Tools. They have forms, email marketing, landing page, and go through each of them, whatever you need. Right now we're just talking about email marketing. So go through each, whatever you need, see all the features. All you need to do, sign up for free and get started. Now you have links of all these email marketing sites. Some site has subscriber limit, some site has email sending limits, and some site has context adding limits. Some site offer landing page and forms to collect opt-in emails. So overall, all these site offers free, paid, and different types of service. So I recommend that go through all these sites very carefully. Then you need to decide, mix and match all these offers and work out as your requirement. Good luck to all, and over 10,000 email messages to all of your subscribers very easy and legally. All you need to do, sign up with all of my provided email marketing sites and use them one by one. You're planning to send bulk emails, so you will need large database of email addresses. You can get email addresses by offering free products with using landing page and capture all email addresses, or extract emails from internet or social media sites using email extractor system. I have uploaded some video to extract emails from most social media sites like Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, Google, and Pinterest. Please check those videos out. I have provided link in description below. That's it for this video today, and thanks for watching. And if you like this video, then please subscribe and hit the bell of notification so you will get notification as soon as I upload all my future videos. And if you have any question, please feel free to ask me in comments below. I will respond as soon as possible. I wish you best luck for all of your future projects. See you later next time.